So in this video, I want to talk a little bit about what we got cooking in my Facebook group and in my coaching program.
I'm on my way to go quit my job right now.
If you are new to the rank and rent, digital real estate, lead generation, all the different names that we call it, because we like to sound cool, then you are in the right spot. Because before I even decided that I wanted to get into the coaching arena, is that I wanted to set up an incentive program for everybody to where they could earn cool stuff. So essentially what I do is I take about 50 cents of every dollar that I make from coaching, and I set it aside into a little slush fund. And what that slush fund does is it pays for incentive trips and all sorts of fun stuff. As you achieve and build a bigger business, then you get to partake of these cool incentives. So you can earn things like the new MacBook Pro, for example. And then we have what I wanted to talk more about today, which we call the Financial Freedom Accelerator events. Because at the end of the day, why would you potentially be looking into rank and rent? Well, it's to achieve financial freedom. And just like the graphic that I'll put on the screen right now, which is the cover photo of my Facebook group, the entire point of building a lead generation business is to have freedom, time, and money, right? So freedom of time and money, and have all three of those at the same time. That's what building any sort of side business is about, so that you can spend time with the ones that you love and that you can do what you want to do whenever you want to do it and not have to be restricted by somebody else dictating what you have to do with your time, or you dictating what you have to do with your time in order to get money, in order to have the resources and the choices for what you want to do in your life, right? So Financial Freedom Accelerator events are going to be a combination of awesome entrepreneurship mastermind type stuff and tons of fun. So in June of 2023, we are going to be going on a Caribbean cruise for everybody that earns the trip, or you can pay your way on to these trips just like a normal event, but it would be much better to earn it, right? So you can get completely all expenses paid for, including travel, for you and a guest to go on a cruise with us. So we'll leave from somewhere in Florida. We'll go down to the Caribbean. It's going to be a ton of fun. We'll bring guest speakers. I'll hire some of my business partners and entrepreneurship friends to, come and speak to us about building bigger businesses and different workshops. Okay. And that sounds like something that you want to be a part of. Make sure and click the link below. Join our free Facebook group so that you can get updates on when that is, how you qualify for the trip, how you win the incentive, and all that good stuff, because it'll all be in there. And the second trip, which I am more excited about, in October of next year, is right when the crazy monsoon season ends, when the weather is the best, is we are going to Florida, and we are going to Orlando to have a Orlando Mastermind event. Now this event, if you wanted to purchase your way onto it, will be $50,000. Okay, we're going to bring in some huge speakers to it. It's going to be quite a bit more intimate because of the price tag, and you can also earn this trip as well if you are in the rank and rent business model and building a business. You have to build a business a certain size in order to come on the trip. I want this to be a little bit more inner circle, expert circle type feel. And we're going to bring in some serious heavy hitters. I have a business partner that's worth well over 9 figures, on his way to 10, and a bunch of other speakers come in and really help us dial in whatever it is that we're trying to do. Not only how to build big businesses, that's part of it, but also how to have an overall well-rounded life that you enjoy, that you look back at when you're about to take your last breath on this earth and think, gosh, I lived a great life. And then you have no regrets, right? No regrets, as the tattoo says. So if you want to join us, click the link below, join the Facebook group, okay? And come be part of our community where we're all striving for greatness. We're all striving to build our greatest life of all time. Come on our Financial Freedom Accelerator events with us. Let's accelerate your financial freedom. Let's get you on the lightning lane to achieving your dream life. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.